So there is a question from Kaumari. Whatever is destined to not destined not to happen will not happen. Try as you may. Whatever is destined to happen will happen. Do what you may to prevent it. This is certain. The best course is therefore to remain silent. So is Kaumari there here on the chat?
Yes, Prabhuji, I'm here.
Okay. So this question is this message is from Ramana Maharshi. Now, what happens in your life at this moment? There are two aspects to our life. What happens to us and how we respond. Right? Say, for example, I get fever. Fever is happening to me. How do I respond is my action. Correct? What happens to me and how do I respond? Ramana Maharshi is telling about what happens to me in my life. He is not telling about how do I respond. That part will not touch down right now. What happens to me in my life, nobody can change. Because what happens to me at this moment is the result of my past karma. Something I have done, good or bad. Nothing can stop it. It will come. Right? So you cannot go and stop in the past what you have done. It is happening in your life. Happening in your life, you can never stop. The happening in your life has happened in terms of the family you are born, the family, the children, the friends, the relatives, the job, all those things which happens to you is a result of karma. That karma we cannot stop. Karma starts giving fruit, it will start come. Good karma will give you happiness, bad karma will give you suffering. That we will never be able to stop. That's what Ramana Maharshi says. First thing, that's called destiny. It's called prarabdha. To make you understand about destiny, Dhritarashtra, after Mahabharata war, asked Krishna, what karma I have done to see my 100 children getting killed in front of my eyes? So Krishna says, Dhritarashtra, 50 lifetimes back, you are a hunter. Killing animals was your dharma, but you are a sadist. You burnt one tree. In the tree, many birds were there. And you enjoyed burning the tree. The birds flew off. The children of the birds, they died. They got burnt. All the mother birds cursed you that you also suffer the death of your children. So that happened 50 lifetimes back. That's why you're suffering death of your 100 children. Then Dhritarashtra says, that happened 50 lifetimes back. Why I am suffering now? Sri Krishna says, Gahana karmano gati. The way of karma is very mysterious. 50 lifetimes back, you got a curse saying that you have to suffer the death of your children. So you should suffer the death of many children simultaneously. 100 children. To get 100 children, you have to do good punya for 49 lifetimes. That for 49 lifetimes punya accumulated. The papa of that time and punya of that time came now. No matter what you do, you cannot stop the papa and punya becoming manifesting. That's the meaning of what Ramana Maharshi says. Destiny cannot be stopped, no matter what you do. Is that part clear?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay. Now he says, next thing, what cannot be stopped? Now, how do you respond? So destiny has brought you some bad karma, like suffering. Let us say business loss or a disease. How you can handle it is called purushartha. Right now, how you are responding, right? The way you are responding is called purushartha. There are two aspects of prarabdha and purushartha. Purushartha means what you do, what you can do. Prarabdha means what happened to you, right? So now some bad thing happened to you. You have a choice. Cry, curse. Why this happened to me? Then always we curse others. Oh, because of this person I'm suffering. Without understanding that my karma has come back. So you can react or act to a given situation in life, right? You have two choices in life, right? You understand? You don't have a choice in prarabdha, what happens to your life. But you have two choices in life, act or react. Is that clear to you?
Yes, Prabhuji.
So what is the difference between action and reaction? Reaction always comes from subconscious pressure. Oh, my problem is because of somebody, without accepting my karma coming back to me. So Ramana Maharshi says, keep quiet means accept that this karma, your karma has come to you. Don't blame God. Don't blame anybody. Don't blame any situation. Accept your karma has come to you. That's keep silent. Okay. Keeping silent does not mean suffering. For example, if you have fever, okay. Keeping silent doesn't mean not going to doctor. Keeping silent means accepting I have a fever. Let's say you have business loss. Keeping silent means doesn't mean, oh, nothing will happen. I cannot do anything. No. Accept it is my karma. Don't blame any partner. Don't blame government. Don't blame anybody. Accept it is your karma. That's keeping silent. Then you have to act. Don't react. If you start reacting, you are actually blaming somebody. Reactions will come. Reactions mechanical. Action is conscious. Now you say, what should I do? If I have a disease, I have to go to the doctor. So do it. Go to the best doctor. Get a treatment. First, you become silent. Accept it. Then do your best. That's called Purushartha. Don't react. Don't start crying. Oh, why it happened to me? Everybody in the world is fine. I am not fine. Don't do that. That's reaction. Then the moment you react, the more karma will accumulate. The moment you act, you're trying to resolve the effect of prarabdha karma. So then you go to the doctor. Doctor says, my dear, this disease is very big problem. Nobody knows it has no treatment. Then what you do? You have got a disease which there's no treatment. Then you accept it. Be peaceful. Till you die, be peaceful. Don't react. Don't worry. No, doctor says there is a treatment for this. There's a surgery to be done. Then go ahead with the surgery. So the accept means accept what happens to you in prarabdha karma. Then don't react. Be silent. Then act. When you act, you'll do the best. That action is called Purushartha. So change what you can. Accept what you can't again. So you cannot, oh, this business cannot be repaired. Accept it. This is what is meant by Ramana Maharishi teaching. Am I clear?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Any follow-up questions on that?
No, Prabhuji. Thank you.
Okay. So now